Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to add map mods to your Project Zomboid server. First, you'll need to log into your game panel and select the server you want to work on. Next, head over to your workshop tab. This is where you need to enter the workshop ID for your mod. You can find this ID on the Steam workshop page of the map you want to install, and it's usually listed near the bottom of the page. For this example, we'll be using Raven Creek, so we'll go all the way down until we find the workshop ID. We're just gonna go ahead and copy this. But whilst you're here, make sure to pay close attention to the mod ID and map folder name, because we'll need those later. Now head back to your workshop tab and click on the install button and enter the ID we copied earlier, and finally click the install button. After the workshop item is installed, switch over to your mods tab. This is where we will need our mod ID. So let's head over back into the Steam mod page and copy the mod ID. Now moving back into the mods tab, click on the add button and enter the mod ID we just copied, and then click enable. Finally, you'll need to click save and save your changes. Then you'll need to head over to your files tab and using the search bar, look for the Zomboid.ini file. Now click on it and inside you'll find the line where it mentions the map. This is what we're looking for. Now this is the default map, you shouldn't remove this or delete this in any way, but we're gonna add to it. So we're gonna go ahead back to the Steam page and copy the map folder name. And now we're gonna go ahead of the default map and paste that in, add a comma and a space. Once that is done, go ahead and click on Save Content. Now you're able to go back into your console tab and restart your server. Something really important you need to know about your mods is that to prevent any crashes or issues, you need to make sure your mods are loaded in this order. First, maps. Second, tile packs. Third, framework and character adjustment mods. Fourth, vehicle mods. Fifth, any other mod you wish to install on your server. Keeping them in this order will ensure that your server runs smoothly without breaking. So for example, if on this page you had a variety of other mods, you will just go ahead and drag them into the right place. And don't forget to click on save to save any changes. And that's it, your new map mods should now be installed and ready to play on. If you need any further help or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to us. We're always happy to help.